Girl. Today we're looking at angles. It's not hard, but there's a lot of stuff we need to know. A lot of definitions. Like what an angle is. Okay, so we have an angle, we have a vertex. A vertex that joins two rays. These are rays. And this right here in the middle, that's the angle. Any questions about an angle so far? Okay. So, with an angle, we have two sides. One of the sides tells it it's the initial side. That's where we start to measure angle. So, if we have an angle like that, we measure our, this is our initial side, we measure the angle like that. We're measuring the angle between. If we measure the other way around, like John said before, this would be the initial side. It always goes to the initial and the terminal. All right. So when we have positive angles and negative angles. So today we're going to be dealing with angles on the XY axis. We have an angle like that, and we measure it like this, going counterclockwise. Positive. We're measuring positive. It's an angle like this, and we measure from the x-axis up. But if we have an x-axis and we have an angle down here, we want to measure the other way. It's a negative angle. You can tell a positive angle. It depends on which way it goes around. No, it depends. It doesn't matter what quadrant it's in. It matters how you measure it. So if you measure this first one like this, that's negative. It'll be negative something. They're all going to start. They're all going to start on the x-axis. Because if we have angles in standard position, that means start at 0. We measure up. So all the angles we'll be dealing with today are standard position. So we have 4 quadrants. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Not order. They're always like that. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. The quadrant angles are the angles that just lie on one of the axes. That side, that side. So we have one at 90 degrees, one at 180 degrees, one at 270 degrees, and one all the way around at 360. Those are our 4 quadrant angles. Right. Okay, so co-terminal angles. They're angles that have the same terminal side and drawn in standard position. So if I have this angle here and this angle here, I have the same terminal side, Looks like they're the same angle. But when we measure this angle, we just go the x-axis up. When we measure this angle, go around once, then up. Why do we do that? That's an angle. Can we do that 360? If we want to find negative coterminal angle, we subtract 360. So if we have like a 45-degree angle, we want to find a positive coterminal angle at we have 45 and we want to find a negative coterminal angle, subtract. That's all you got to do.